देखो भाई इनको भी पता है मास्क ढंग से कैसे पहनते हैं. Hello friends, in today's video I would like to speak about funny types of masks worn by people in our locality. I really wish I had photos of them, but it's not possible, so I would try to explain in such a way that you guys can understand. So one day I went to shopping with my father, so only one from my family is allowed to go inside the shop. So I was standing outside, and after some time a father and a small child came to the shop. So the father asked the child कि क्या चाहिए बेटा? Then he said पापा juice चाहिए. So the father went inside and brought a juice for him. So the child was having a N95 mask. For those people who know N95 mask, it has a filter right here. So I found it funny when that child was drinking the juice. He opened the straw and kept the straw through the N95's filter, and he was drinking that juice. So I think his parents might have told him that we must not open the mask. So I felt it funny. So in the same shop there was a worker who sprayed sanitizer to the customers entering the shop. So I believe it was a white color mask, but when I saw it, trust me, it was totally faded and out brown in color. तो भाई साहब अगर आपका reusable mask है तो कभी कभार धो लिया करो उसको. And you won't believe when people without mask are coming to that shop, then he is saying that भाई साहब mask पहनो, भाई साहब mask पहनो.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I was like, ये भी ठीक है. The guy who is helping others to get hygiene, he himself is not hygiene. Seeing his mask, corona be like, मुझे इसका अंदर नहीं जाना है यार. So whenever I go for evening walk, I see uncles and aunties in my locality wearing masks like this. Wait, I'll show you. This is the first case. They wear like this, or otherwise, this is the second case. So dear uncle and aunties, this wearing mask like this is equal to not wearing a mask. So please be careful. See, now I am going to speak about a tractor driver. I don't want to be a racist here, but in India generally they are considered as uneducated or illiterate. But to my shock, when I saw them, they had clean masks around their total face covered, and they also had a sanitizer bottle in their tractor. But you see people who earn lakhs of money from different companies or different jobs, they wear masks like this. As for example, I showed in the last one like this. They wear mask like this. So once think about this case. So I think by now some people might be thinking that ये खुद मास्क नहीं पहन रहा, ये क्या बोल रहा है हमें. तो I would like to show you one thing. See, this is the locality where I shoot my videos. So here no one is there except me for now. So when in an isolated area you are free to take your mask following all the procedures, and only for my videos sake I have taken out my mask. After this video completes, immediately I will put on my mask. So now comes my favorite and special case. So I think it is the time of lockdown too. So at that time most of the families used to come outside for an evening walk, of course following all the procedures and wearing mask properly and following social distancing. So I would like to tell one case which happened with me. So our family was walking like this and the other family was walking like this. As you can see, we have a great distance between this, and when we came somewhat closer, the sir from that family shouted, "Bhai sahab, thoda distance maintain karo." Means it felt rude for me, of course, whereas we were having a great distance already. Then my father said, after we crossed paths, my father said that koi nahi, because of its initial stages, corona, all must be having their own fears. So I left it afterwards. Recently I saw him, and to my shockness, that sir was wearing mask like this. So sir, if you are watching this video, please wear your mask properly. Corona is still out there, and it's the same corona that you feared in those times. Please. Thank you. Lastly, I would like to add one more case. So you all remember the shop I was in earlier. So I was standing outside there. After some time, a mother and a daughter came to that shop. They walked down, and when the mother saw her daughter, she was not wearing her mask properly. So the mother told her daughter to wear your mask properly. Then the answer, you hear it. She was saying like, "मम्मी मैं नहीं पहनूंगा, मेरा मेकअप जाएगा."
What?
Means she was wearing her mask downside like this, and she had lipstick on here. So she was saying to her mom that, "No mummy, I won't, because my makeup will go." Then I was like, so बहन जी मेकअप कभी भी कर सकते हो अगर if you get this corona once you won't even have the power to put your lipstick on, so please listen to your mummy. See, I have friends who did not step out of their houses since 7 months, so we can see how much safety and precautions they are following. But I know each and everyone will have their own purpose outside. But if you are going outside, please follow the precautions and safety. If not for you, at least for the people outside. Wear your mask properly, cover your entire face with your mask, use sanitizers. इतने महीने तो वेट ही कर लियो वैक्सीन के लिए, और कुछ महीने वेट करो. व्हेन फाइनली वी गेट द वैक्सीन, एवरीथिंग विल गेट रिस्टोर्ड टू इट्स ओल्ड स्टेजेस. वी विल हैव दैट ओल्ड ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड which we had earlier. All will come back to the normal lives. So please wait for a little more time till the vaccine comes. So I would like to wind up today's speak out by giving two advices. The first one is, so as you know, COVID mainly affects the people's lungs. So many people who fought COVID bravely have started recovering their lives, but their lungs won't be that strong. So even though government has banned crackers and everything, some people still might have stocks or have some ways to get those crackers. So please, thinking about your people, don't burst crackers. Or now comes advice number 2. So instead of bursting crackers, you can light diyas and decorate your house with diyas. This also we must buy from small shopkeepers, so that they can also have a livelihood, and they literally sell 1 rupee for 1 diya or 5 rupees 1 diya. So buy from such small keepers. And another use of lighting diyas is that it brings out a lot of positivity, and those vibes are really different. And as you all know, Diwali is a festival of lights, not a festival of sounds or anything else. So invest in a positive way. So this was very much for today's speak out. Definitely you must also have seen funny people around your locality. So please share it under the comment section given below. And अब मैं भी चलता हूँ, वीडियो एडिट करना है. Guys, this is very much important, okay? Please wear your masks like this, cover your entire face, be sanitized, be hygiene, take care. Until we meet next time, peace out.